Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue, and today I didn't even clean, but I had a request to show my Battat horses. I believe it was Tina from Glam Dolls Glam that said we go too fast when we show the doll Nook across my Battat horses. This is some of my collection of American Girls and Battat horses. And at the end, you're going to see some Kenners and Rainbow High. And I wanted to show part of my American Girl dolls also. Did you get these little 14-inch welly wishers? They're so cute. And then we have this little girl sitting here. I bought this horse for my Blythe dolls. I thought it was a perfect size. My Blythes can sit on the Battat. Oh, look how dusty. But this was just a better size. I think I got it for 50 cents or $1 in a thrift store. And I like this. And the tail. Very nice. I think I had to straighten that all out, but it was worth it. So that's part of my stable. And did you show my American Girl dolls up on the shelf? That's some of my American Girl dolls. I have, we didn't buy any American Girl dolls new. All of them came to me pre-loved, and a lot of them I did, oh boy, cleanups and wig fixing, and most of them we took all the way apart, took the stuffing out. I always sanitize the stuffing before I put it back in, and I wash that real good. And I have one that is new in the box, but I did not buy it. It's in the doll room under everything because of, well, painting. My doll room needs a good cleaning, but these are some, well, I think that's most of my bitty babies. I have a couple more. They too I bought pre-loved, and a lot of those I cleaned up and dressed, and I have a couple that are waiting to be taken care of. I have a large Chatty collection. Go ahead and swing that way and be sure and get Samantha sitting there. I found that little desk for Samantha. Oh my God, look at the desk. Samantha, oh, her hat's pushing her eyes down. Samantha came without the clothing. I either made or bought that little dress, made the hat, and we found that little desk. It's very heavy at an antique store, and it was just perfect for her. Behind, I have my, oh, that's not even half of my Chatty Cathy collection, or my Chatty family collection. I have a lot of those, including my own 1960, I think 4. When would I have been 5 years old, Darren? It was my 5th birthday present, and I still have her. She's downstairs. What's
62?
Okay, 1962? Well, she came out in, well, I'll have to look that up. But I have the rare brown-eyed brunette, and I think I have one more over there of the brown-eyed brunette that are not easy to find. This doll Nook was pretty much empty, and I only had these, I had 4 bikes up here. Our house was, till it was dolls.
Ice cream.
Yeah. Our house was done, the decor was bicycles. We live on the Katy Trail. We are cyclists. And I had 4 18-inch dolls on these little bicycles. I think one is an American Girl, 2 are Journey girls. And then I think I had the ice cream truck. And I used to change them all the time. Like I would, for the holidays and for the seasons and everything, I'd change them. And then I got more dolls. So this is just a look at the lower level of my doll Nook. And by request, showing our Battat horses. Of course, it's not all of them, and it's not all of my American Girl dolls, but I thought you'd like to see them. And so we added the whole lower level. This is the other side of the, these are the dolls that are on the floor of my doll nook. These are 36 and 38 and 32, and you can see it gets a little crowded at the end.
And I can't show them all because I can't back up far enough. It's just...
Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.